Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here, 25 by 25 millimeters, square, sorry. Finish the sketch. Go to offset plane, select the top plane here, make a plane here with 15 millimeters of distance, press OK, click with the right button here, create a sketch, select the 2-point rectangle again, center rectangle, make a square here, 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to offset plane again, show the plane one here, make an offset here with 20 millimeters. Okay, click here with the right button, go to create a sketch, select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, make a square here, 25 millimeters by 25 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to construct offset plane, select the plane 2. The offset here is 20 millimeters. Press OK. Click with the right button here in the new plane and go to create a sketch. Select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. Make a rectangle here, 30 millimeters by 30 millimeters, and press OK. And finish the sketch. We have this, okay? Now go to create, select loft. Select this profile here, this profile here, this profile, and this profile here. The guide type is the rails here, okay, not center line, and press OK. We have this, okay. Go to fillet, select this edge here, this edge here, and this edge, and this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create, select pattern, circular pattern, the object type body, the object, this body here, the axis, the blue axis here, okay, and the quantity here is 6. Press OK. Now let's show the body here. Click in the body 1, hold the shift on the keyboard and click in the body 6, okay, and select combine. Operation join, press OK. Now go to fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeters. Press OK. Go to create, select pattern, circular pattern. The object type is face, and the object is the fillet that we made, okay? And the axis is this blue axis here. And the quantity here is 12. Press OK. Okay. Now go to fillet again. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeter. Press OK. Now go to modify, select the shell. Click here in this face. The inside thickness here is 1.5 millimeters. And press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to fillet. Select this face here. The fillet 1 millimeters. Press OK. Let's see here. We have this, okay. Okay, we have this. Now, click with the right button here. Go to Appearance. And here I will select Python, Glossy. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.